ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 1st ಆಗಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. But let me tell you something, it's not always about a goal, but I'm sure December 1st many of us make that start, said ivattinda start marana anta. So I thought this is the best time that we should come live, meaning as part of the Eurythmics family. I thought ivattu live banbitu I'll give you all a glimpse of what my Pilates session is. Tumba jana kelta irtare enidu Pilates adu first hesre tumba janake innu gottilla. So it's Pilates. And what Pilates is ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯೋಗ ತರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. Pilates is a lot to do with core strengthening. Pilates is a lot to do with posture correction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ Pilates has helped me a lot. ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಚರ್ ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ, I used to never be aware. This is one form of workout that has helped me to be aware of when I'm doing workouts. ಮೈಂಡ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನೋ ಗೋಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯುನೋ ಒಂದು HIIT ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಈದರ್ ಯು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, Pilates has helped me a lot. Okay, so for those of you who are today, I know many of my clients have also joined me in today for this session. I thought we will all start together, and today's Pilates session is going to be a little combination ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು HIIT ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. HIIT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. But that is where you push your muscles to the max within the shortest amount of time. Today we're going to do a few exercises that is going to be in the Pilates style, but using the HIIT concept. HIIT concept is we're going to go 30 seconds of the exercise and about 10 to 15 seconds of rest. Okay, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಟು ಸೇ, ಬಟ್ ಪಿಲಾಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅದಿನ್ನೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So I will learn that, but for today I'm going to speak a little more in English because I do not know those terms in Kannada. And for whoever is joining me for the workout, please be aware we're going to start with a 10-minute warm-up session. After that we're going to go continuous with the exercises. If exercises explain madake, I cannot keep coming back here. You can also save this for later. So we're going to have 30 seconds of the exercise and go on to 10 seconds of doing the rest. Right? So I think we can start together. Warm up. Don't go lean around somewhere. Go remain workout and make sure. Sorry, it's hard to talk and do Pilates. Trust me. Okay. Now make sure, very important. Breathing is very important, guys. Breathing madvaga, don't do this. Never hold your lips together. So every time I say inhale, you have to do that through your nose, and when I say exhale, with the mouth. When you exhale, you have to make sure that the core gets tucked in. Right? We're going to try and tighten our core area. So breathe out and tuck in the core. Right? Now I'm not going to keep coming back. I'm not going to keep coming and telling you what exercise. Right? Okay? I'm just going to one side. So that you understand my cueing now. Okay? I'm going to make sure we're going to keep continuing the exercises. You take a 10 to 15 second break. I'm going to keep showing it. You're going to join along with me. Idu is only for warm up. Alright guys, ready. joining in. Yes, now it's over. So we are almost, I don't know how long, but Pilates is like this. Nimge ibag ansalla, for those of you who are doing it for the first time, if you do this for the next 2-3 days in a week, you will realize how every muscle from inside talks to you. Right? Ivaga yenadru prashnegal idre, why I'm doing this is I want to do, usually heltare 21 days minimum saku anta. Right? 21 days is enough for you to transform yourself. Neevu one commitment tagondre illa ee this dinna madbekandre 21 days is enough. 21 disa saak nimge to see yourself change. But adike yen beku? Discipline, commitment to yourself. Adukanta strict rules itkondu nanu ishte tintini ide tintini anta helidre adu agalla. It's about a lifetime commitment. That is what is called a sustainable change. So today I know many of you are making that promise. December 1st inda start marana. Tumma jana January tankane push madirtare. So if you are going to start from January, good. But keep in mind that it's not just to reach your New Year plan goals, illandre New Year resolution anta. It's a thing, commitment to yourself. So now, please say my name, Nikita R. Patil. Thank you for joining in. Please save this video, of course. Okay, first my clients, I hope you're okay. Whoever joined in, I hope you're okay. All good. Please give me a thumbs up. Then I'll know. Yeah. Any other thing? Thank you so much then, guys. So if you want to join our regular classes, please do get in touch. Nam tangi, my life savior, Kanika avridare. Her Instagram profile is Kanika Chandran. Avrig message madi and she'll definitely help you out. Adilla andre, Panagavare. Thank you. I hope you tried too. Okay. Thank you. Love you too, Madhu. Anything else? I'm waiting for my clients to also get back and tell me if they have done it or they're already still sustu. Yes. Prajwala, thank you for joining in. Everyone going good. Amrita, thank you for joining. Yenadru doubts idya nam classes bagge yenadru idre ivagle keli yakandre nam tumba jana DM ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. We may have missed your messages. So this is the time where we can actually let you know. Anything else that you would like to know? All right, I think we're good to go. Yaryar yen keltru? Yes, ellaru tumba chennagidare. Thank you for your concern for Prajwal sir. Avuru tumba chennagidare and we give our love to all of you. Okay. I think we're good then to go. In case of our regular classes, we conduct classes every day. We have a lot of sessions. We do functional fitness, we do Zumba fitness, online Zumba martivi. Actually, that's a lot of fun, you should ask. And now HIIT sessions tagoltivi, Pilates tagoltivi, and there's a lot more. So nim yav bekandru, whatever you want, feel like joining in, you can join. Anything else? Hello, hello, hello. Love to you all. Ma'am, how to join your online dance class? Dance classes, yes, we're doing a virtual dance camp also. That happens every Saturday toltivi now. Saturday from 4 to 6 p.m. The pricing is 1,600 rupees. And freestyle anta heluvaga free dance allamma. Adu freestyle andre it's a form of dance. So freestyle is not free classes. Now yen kale now helkodtivo adukku one value irutte. So ella classes free agi tagolakagalla. This was just a trailer. So please do join in. If you have that passion, you can definitely make it. Yeah. Thank you all so much then. I'm going to know how to join classes. Anusha, as I already said, how to join classes online. Please do get in touch with Kanika and she will help you. Right? Love you all so much. And I had a great time. This is my first Pilates online live class. Nodi class togolakku live madadukku tumba vyathyasa ide and it's a lot tougher because maatartane irbeku. So I'm so happy that so many of you have joined in here and I had a great time. Looking forward to seeing all your messages in case you need to join our classes. Thank you. Bye-bye.